Good morning to you, James here. In this video I'm going to go through gold. We're going to go through some technical analysis on gold and the general position of markets in general. Now, if we look at the gold chart we have here, this is a daily chart. First of all, we can identify that gold has made a golden cross. This is when the 50-day moving average, the brown here, has come up through the 200-day. A golden cross is when the 50-day goes through the 200-day. You can see this 200-day here, the blue, long way away, and you've got the 50-day, the brown, and this one here is the 20-day, much closer to the price action. Now, we've just identified that we've made a golden cross here, which is very significant because gold has been in a downtrend for quite some time. But over the last week ago, we've just made this golden cross here. As you can see, we're above the 200-day there. Now this week has been a funny week. Monday, nothing really happened. As you can see, absolutely nothing. Tuesday, there was a $15 move early in the Asian session, and gold moved up $15 there. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we've been back down. Now we topped out at 12.97 here. 12.97. This is key resistance. You want to write this down. 12.97 is the key resistance where we failed here. And then we've retraced to 12.65, more or less. So we had a fair size retracement. We were bullish Tuesday, nothing Monday, bullish Tuesday, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday we've been selling back down to 12.65, and it really did pull back. The dollars had a pullback, dollar index has had a little bounce. This has caused the pullback. The key thing now is not only 12.97 to the upside, the key thing now, right now, tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, is does 12.60 hold? If 12.60 holds, then we're still in the uptrend. If we go below 12.60, it's not looking so good for gold. So that is the daily chart. If I switch to the hourly chart here, you can see that we've been pulling back, as I said, since Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we've been pulling back. But we're just starting to make some support here. If you can see, just above 12.65. We'll see what happens Monday or Tuesday, but you need some information after the weekend. On a Monday, it's not easy. But when you've got the previous day's information, it's a lot easier. So I'm always cautious. You want to always be cautious going into the market on a Monday or Sunday night when the future's open, as you do not know. You've had that weekend and the market's been closed. The market needs to position itself to decide which direction it wants to go. Are we risk on? Are we risk off? What are we doing? So that's the goal. Like I say, 12.60 is really the key here. 12.60, and if we can breach 12.97 to the upside, then we're going over 1300, which could well happen. Now, if I talk about the rest of the markets now, the Dow, the Nasdaq, the S&P are all at record highs, as you know. So we're entering that time of year, July, when we see some huge swings, there could be a very sizable correction. I wouldn't be a bit surprised if there is a very sizable correction in the markets, because as I just said, Nasdaq, S&P, Dow, FTSE, everything is sky high. We really need a good correction, and this seasonally in June, July, August, this is the time when we get some big swings in volatility. So we're going back to the gold, what we're concentrating on. This will obviously help the gold. Any correction in the markets, we'll see risk coming off, and the money will be going to the gold and the likes of gold, the yen, the safe havens. So I'm expecting that possibly, it's very high. We've got to see what happens next week. We have Yellen Wednesday. We have the Bank of England Thursday. We have the Bank of Japan Friday. So we have some significant risk events and news risk events next week. So we'll see what happens. Be careful with the gold. Look at those levels, like I said. 1260, you get the short side. If we can start pushing higher on an hourly candle, we need to see some higher highs on the hourly to start going forward. If you follow me on Twitter, I'll be giving you some of my trades, the results, so you can track what I'm doing in there. You can see a lot more, some exciting stuff. Follow me on there, and you're going to see some results. I do apologise for the lack of videos. As you know, I'm a busy person, but I will try and do more information on the market for you, and there'll be some of my trades, some exciting stuff on the way. So keep at it, do focus, and do something and do it properly. Don't let anybody put you off or pull you away from your passion. You must stick to what you say, and you must do it. This in life has to be done. You really do. You have to stick to something and do it properly. And if you say you're going to do something, you need to do it. So I'll speak to you later. Do follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I wish you a great week trading, and follow my trades. I will be giving more information on Twitter and Instagram, so please do follow me. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.